Wow! Look at the change of the color. Becoming lighter, the sea. Wow. Hi Josh! Hi Mike! Hi Sir! Kapitan!
Yung sinasabi ko kung kailan Nescafe, andun yun 1 hour and 30 minutes yung biyahe.
Clear waters of Coron.
Search nyo,
The beautiful waters of Coron.
Bukit. Kasi mag-search nyo na yun. Malangyan island natin ito.
Wow! Wow, who's that handsome guy? There's the mom of the handsome guy. And there's our handsome guy. And our captain. Wow.
Maganda mag-rumekta na kayo. Kung ano, pwede nyo rin kung ano, pwede kayo magbigay ng feedback. Tapos pwede nyo akong i-mention kami.
Aha. Wow. Wow.
Kumagana tayo Wednesday para may gap sa isang araw.
Nang ano?
Mag-tour ka. Pwede natin na tour.
Ah, kanino anak yun? Whose son is that? Is it yours? Tabingi. Picture. Sunglasses. We're going there to eat our lunch. That is where we're heading for to eat our lunch. Nice. Nice. We're here in Coron, Palawan. Lunchtime. Anchors away. There, do. Thanks, Kuya.
And, welcome na po pala sa Beach 91.
Beach 91,
Ito yung
yes.
exclusive lunch place namin. And kaya po siya tinawag na Beach 91 kasi po before may mga high school student na reunion dito sa Beach 91 and then hindi nila alam yung pangalan ng beach. Pero ang totoong pangalan ng beach is Kalinwantay Beach. Pag tinawag na lang nilang Beach 91, ayun hanggang sa naging famous yung Beach 91. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
They coined it, yes. Thank you, Mike, for the info, and Joshua. Sign off.